Good morning children. Examples we are doing based on a nth term of an EP. So the first question, which term of the sequence minus 1, 3, 7, 11 is 95? The question is given that it's a sequence, not given that it is an AP. So first of all we should see that whether it is an AP or not. So here a2 minus 1 and 3, so we'll write just like this only. 3 minus 1 equal to 4, 7 minus 3 equal to 4, 11 minus 7 equal to 4. So it is an EP with A equal to minus 1 and D equal to 4. Now nth term of an AP, what are the terms we required? AN equal to 95 is given. What is given in the question? A and D will also AN equal to 95. Nth term of an AP, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Which term is the question? So we should find out N only. So 95 equal to minus 1 plus N minus 1 into 4. So 95 plus 1 equal to 4N minus 4. 96 plus 4 equal to 4N implies 4N equal to 100. So N equal to 25. So 25th term is 95. Which term of AP 21, 42, 63, 84 is 420? So already it is an AP is given. So we can write as a solution. It is an AP with A equal to 21 and D equal to 42 minus 21 equal to 21. So both are 21 only, and also what is given? AN equal to 420. So A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 420 implies 21 plus N minus 1 into D. D means 21 equal to 420. Minus 21, here 21 and minus 21. So 2N equal to 420 minus 21 plus 21. So N equal to 420 divided by here 21N. So therefore 20th term is 420. How many terms are there in the AP? So it's already given that it's an AP. So we can start like this. It's an AP with A equal to 3 and D equal to 3. Now here last term, that is sometimes I told you that AN, nth term will be considered as a last term. So AN will be 111 only. So also AN equal to 111. A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 111. What is A equal to 3 plus N minus 1 into D, that is also 3, D for us 111 only, because N only we have to find out here how many terms. So 3N minus 3 equal to 111 minus 3. So 3N equal to 111 minus 3 plus 3. So N equal to 111 divided by 3. So 37. So how many terms are there? The given AP has 37 terms. So if you know the formula thoroughly, you can solve all this type of the questions. Only one formula we are having, a plus n minus 1 into d. Find the 10th term from the end of the AP 4, 9, 14, 254. Not directly they asked the 10th term of the AP. 10th term from the end of the AP. So AP is given AP 4, 9, 14, etc. 254. So from 254, 10th term is asked. So what we should write? In reverse order, the AP will write. Means which is the first term? 254. Now we will leave some space, then write 9 and 4. Now we want the common difference and the next, because it's already an AP only. Now our starting point means the starting term is A equal to 254 we got, right? Now what is the D here? D equal to 4 minus 9 equal to minus 5. So what is the second term now? 254 minus 5. See, we got D equal to minus 5 only. So rough work we should do here. 254 plus minus 5. That is 254 minus 5, 249 we got. So we got the second term. And with the A equal to 24, D equal to minus 5 we got. Now what is the question is asked? The 10th term only. So A10 equal to, now A plus AN formula we should know, we must know. So A plus 9D I am writing directly. We already know that AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That means A10 means it's a 1 less than that, A plus 9D only. So 24 plus 9 into minus 5, 24 no, 254. 254 plus 9 into minus 5 equal to 254 minus 45, it's equal to 209. So last end means reverse order AP should be written and A and D should be written correctly. Then only we can proceed. One more similar question. Find the 12th term from the end of the AP minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, etc. minus 100. So we will write here minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, etc. minus 100 is an AP with a equal to minus 2 and a D equal to 2 only. C minus 4, A2 minus A1. But reverse AP we required, because from the end of the AP we have to calculate. Reverse AP equal to minus 100 comes first, etc. minus 6, minus 4, minus 2. The reverse order we have to write. So what is A now? Minus 100. And what is D now? Minus 2 minus minus 4, that is minus 2 plus 4 equal to 2 only. We can calculate D from here, successive terms here. So the last term, just a preceding term difference only. Now what is AN for this one? AN equal to, we have to calculate A12, sorry, we have to calculate A12 only. AN formula I will write first, A plus n minus 1 into D. A12 means A plus 11D. What is A? Minus 100 plus 11 into 2. So minus 100 plus 22 equal to minus 78. So 12th term from the end of the AP is minus 78. If 8th term of an AP is 31, 15th term is 16 more than 11th term, find AP is the question. So here two conditions are given. 8th term of an AP. So if 8th term means, how will write in AP? It is A8 equal to 31. And 15th term, so A15 is 16 more than 11th term. So we'll get like this only. So for this type of the questions, we must know the nth term thoroughly. What is the nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d only. So when we are saying that A8 is 31, we can directly write that A plus 7d equal to 31. Now what about 15 means? It is A15 means we can write that A plus 14d equal to 11 means A plus 10d plus 16. So directly we are using our nth term. So understood? So when we are saying A8, it is A plus 7d. When we are saying A15, it is A plus 14d. A11 means A plus 10d only. Now A plus 7d equal to 31 is the A plus 14d equal to A plus 10d plus 16 is there. Let us simplify this. A will get cancelled. 14d minus 10d equal to 16, that is 4d equal to 16, d equal to 4. So equation number 1. Put d equal to 4 in 2. So A plus 7 into 4 equal to 31. A equal to 31 minus 28, A equal to 3. So we got D equal to 4 here and A equal to 3. Once we got A and D, we can form the AP. Therefore, AP is 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 7 plus 4 equal to 11, 11 plus 4 equal to 15 and etc. That is 3, 7, 11, 15 etc. Here the condition is we have to form the equation only. Based on the equation we can use any method of solving. Chapter 3 we already studied many methods. One of the method we can use and solve. So the answer is 3, 7, 11, 15 etc. If 9th term of an AP is 0, prove that 29th term is double of its 19th term. So it is given that what is given in the question, write correctly, then it will be easy for you. 9th term, so A9 equal to 0. Next, prove that 29th term, prove that A29 is double of 2 times of A19. This is question for us. Prove that A29 is 2 times of A19 only. Now we will start with the A29 only. So A29 means A plus 28D, right? And it is given that A9 is a 0 there. So A plus 8D equal to 0 implies A equal to minus 8D, the first equation, right? So A equal to minus 8D I got. Now here A29 equal to A plus 28D. So minus 8D plus 28D. How I got this minus 8D? Using 1. So it is equal to 20D. A29 equal to 20D only. Now let us prove what is, let us check that what is 2 times of A19. So 2 times of A19 means two into A plus 18D, right? 2 into what is A? A equal to minus 80 plus 18D using 1. So 2 into 10D which equal to 20D. Now from 2 and 3 what is the conclusion we are having? So from 2 and 3 A29 equal to 2 into A19. Both are equal to which value? 20D. Nothing, we have to take the equation and use one or two equations like that and solve, that's all. Is 68 is a term of AP 7, 10, 13 etc. So what is the AP? AP is 7, 10, 13 etc. So given AP is A equal to 7 and D equal to 10 minus 7 equal to 3. Now we have to check that 68 is a term of this. So such questions what we should do, let AN equal to 68. What is AN formula? A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 68 implies 7 plus n minus 1 into 3 equal to 68. 3n minus 3 equal to 68 minus 7. So 61. What is 3n now? 3n equal to 61 plus 3 equal to 64. So n equal to 64 by 3. So 64 by 3 means it is balance 1, so 1 by 3. N is a natural number because n shows number of terms, right? So if n is a number of terms, n should be a natural number only. Here we are getting n is a fraction. So what we can say that implies n is not a natural number here. Therefore 68 is not a term here, is not a term of given AP. See, when it is a term, it should be first term, second term, third term, like that. So n should be a natural number only. That is not possible here. So we are concluding that 68 is not a term here. One more question, is 184 is a term of AP 3711. So let us check now. 3711 etc. is an AP with A equal to 3 and D equal to 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Now 184 is a term is the question. So let us take AN equal to 184, A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 184, 3 plus n minus 1 into 4 equal to 184, n minus 1 into 4 equal to 184 minus 4 minus 3 implies 4n minus 4 equal to 181, 4n equal to 185, n equal to 185 by 4 equal to 46 and 1 by 4. Again n is not a natural number. Therefore, what is the conclusion? 184 is not a term of a given AP. So AP today's class we have used only one formula, a plus n minus 1 into d only. We are next class also we are continuing the same problems with the same formula only. So practice more because it's a good chapter, scoring only. You have to learn 2 to 3 formulas only. Based on that you can do all the sums. So different questions will ask. So it's a good chapter. So practice more. Thank you.